Welcome back to our team coverage of all things snow related on this Saturday night. Right behind me here, I'm still surprised, Chevy, because Garner's Ferry, the snow is still pretty much coming down hard.
Yeah, we got some slick roads out there.
Yes, tell me about it. I was out there
Freezing.
driving about an hour ago.
I mean, it's cold enough right now to have freezing roads. So it's going to be cold, even colder through the overnight hours. Temperatures going down to about 13. The wind chill going down to possibly below zero in some places. So holding on to the 20s for now. There's a little bit of snow. You can see the visibility there for Columbia anyway. So we still have the winter storm warning. It goes till 10 a.m., but the snow is going to end overnight tonight, actually here in probably in a few hours for at least the western Midlands, and then kind of sweep out of here. And then we have the extreme cold warning. So the Weather Service is talking about a cold weather advisory for Monday morning. That's a step below. It's not as serious, but it's still very cold. Temperatures likely in the single digits in areas. This is the expected wind chill tomorrow morning. I think it'll even be colder than this with 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. And with that, you also get, some of the snow possibly blowing onto the roads again. So the roads are going to be treacherous tonight. Temperatures anywhere from 18 in Bishopville to 21 degrees, a real tightly packed temperature gradient across the Midlands. And you can see the low. It's not moving too terribly fast. North Carolina is getting the worst of this. They're talking about 6 to 12 inches in eastern parts of the state. And we still have some pretty good snow totals possible here in the northeast part of the state for us. And you could see those kind of light to moderate bands going through Columbia. That's what we're seeing now, have seen for a couple of hours, and still getting some snow down there in the southern tip of the state. So they've been having that for a couple of hours now, so they could have an inch or two there for sure. And, you measure the snow now, you're not going to get an accurate total. We were going from kind of wet snow to powdery snow and blowing snow. It's real hard to tell exactly how much we got, but anywhere in those ranges that we've been saying throughout the week. And you can still see, so there's still moisture coming in from that low, less and less, and as that low pushes out, it's going to drag all this moisture with it and end the snow showers as we go into beyond, probably a little beyond the midnight hour. Now, the best chance for seeing 2 inches is going to be in this area here, 95%. That's, maybe a little bit, this area here, just in the northeast part of the state. And it really trails off because the snow is coming to an end in the western part of the state. Here's what our in-house model shows. And you notice, the darker blues are going to be on the northeastern part of the state. As that pushes out, a little bit more moisture comes in. This is 1 a.m., 2 a.m. You see at 3 a.m. the snow is just about over across the Midlands, and then it quickly pushes out as we go through to the 6 o'clock hour. Then we have that northwest wind. That's pretty cold there, so get ready for tomorrow morning if you have to go out. How about for additional snow? Maybe 1 to 2. I lean more toward the 1, if that, and then 2 to 3, 3 to 4. We'll leave that in there because that's the best chance to see snow showers. Maybe the purple area, the area seeing any significant accumulations, 1 to 2 or so. And you can see major road impacts. You've seen the roads out there. They're icy for sure. They're going to continue to be icy all night long. Nothing to melt them, right, except for if they're treating the roads, and secondary roads are just going to be treacherous. So tonight, the snow shower's coming to an end, and then 13 degrees. And then tomorrow, it's a sunny day. I mean, if not all of the day is going to be sunny. We'll quickly clear out the clouds after these showers move in. If the clearing happens before the sun comes up, that just makes it that much colder. But hopefully we get the 36 tomorrow for a high. And then as we go through the next few days, we keep that weather impact alert through Monday morning because of the cold. So pretty much after this snow gets out of here in the next few hours, we're talking about cold temperatures. 13 tonight, but brutally cold. Wind chill down in the single digits, if not even below zero, and 9 degrees. But at least the winds are going to lighten up a lot by the time we get to Monday morning. It'll be bitterly cold. I mean, 9 degrees compared to normal, which is 37 or 35 rather. Our normal high is 58. It doesn't look like we're going to hit that all week, but we do have a chance to do it next weekend, or at least get close to it. Warming temperatures, but not until Tuesday and Wednesday. A little bit cooler, 40s for Thursday. I'd take the 40s right now, that's for sure, even though it's still well below normal. More on your weather coming up in just a bit.